Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'll be talking about curly hair mousse. I swear मैंने इतने सारे curly hair products try किए, but mousse मैंने कभी नहीं किया था, and I don't know what I was waiting for because I am hooked. I have like around 5 of them that I'm gonna talk about and review it for you guys today. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Before getting started, let's talk about what is a hair mousse because I'm pretty sure a lot of people don't know about it. A hair mousse is a styling product. So once you're done with your shampoo and conditioner, that's when you use a hair mousse, and of course you do not rinse it out. It's a styling product, it will stay in your hair. Consistency wise, it's like a foam or a whipped cream texture that just emulsifies in your hand and you apply it as a cream basically. I feel a hair mousse is a perfect combination of a leave-in cream and gel. Obviously हर एक प्रोडक्ट अलग होता है, हर एक का होल्ड अलग होता है, मॉइस्चराइजेशन लेवल, टेक्सचर, वो सब अलग अलग होता है, which we will be talking ahead in the video. आपको एक समरी दे दिया कि एक हेयर मूस होता क्या है. Let's get started. So the first product I want to talk about is by Fix My Curls. It's their weightless whip volumizing mousse with hydrolyzed rice protein, matcha green tea and apple amino acid. This one is CG friendly and this is paraben free, silicone free, sulfate free. I like the packaging of the product. It's very simple, sweet. I do feel for the price I'm paying, the quantity is a little less. I mean, इतना bottle है और इतना सा ही product है. I've used it for like 4 or 5 times now and इतना ही product बचा है. This will serve me like more 5-6 times, and yeah. Let's talk about the texture now. It is like a weightless whip mousse and you just need 3 to 4 pumps of it. For my hair, I've used like 3 to 4 pumps and that suffices me. Looking at the results, I can clearly tell that this is something that a lot of curly girls are gonna love, especially the ones who have very thin hair, जिनका density बहुत ही कम है, and they want something that is weightless and light in texture so it does not weigh down their curls, gives them the volume, the moisture. Also it does have slight hold. I would say इतना ज़्यादा hold नहीं है. It is moisturizing but hold में I would give it a 2 out of 5 and moisture I would give a 4 out of 5. And if you have really dense hair, a lot of hair which needs a lot of moisture, maybe not for you. I love that it's a weightless formula, gives you a lot of volume in the roots, adds the proper moisture that your hair needs, does not weigh your curls down. For an everyday wash and go, this is like the perfect product. I just wish the hold would have been a little bit more. The hold is not that much, so overall I would give it a 3 out of 5. The next product I want to talk about is by Squash Waff. I hope I'm not butchering the name. Is their Oasis Extreme Hold Mousse 4 Grip Ultra Strong. ये नाम पढ़ के ना मैं थोड़ा डर गई थी. I was a little apprehensive कि मैं try भी करना चाहिए कि नहीं. Ultra Strong ये सुन के मुझे लग रहा था कि वो लड़के लोग जो जेल लगाते हैं, it becomes like rock hard. That's what this is gonna give me, but I was pleasantly surprised and I'm really happy with the results I got, as you can clearly see it in the video. Let's talk about the overall results that I got. First of all, volume is definitely missing. I felt like it was a little bit flat on top. कितना भी मैं fluff कर रही थी या फिर जो भी कुछ कर रही थी, it wasn't like that voluminous. I feel Fix My Curls definitely won in this case, and the curls looked really good after using this product. I feel if I had done it properly, like section by section, it would have looked really good. I feel this did give me a little bit of frizz, but I'm really happy with the result. It does have a slight hold. एकदम extreme hold भी नहीं है. इस पे लिखा हुआ है extreme hold mousse. I feel like I didn't use that much, but इसमें definitely like gel kind of hold है और cast भी देता है, so you do have to like scrunch it out. But after that you'll get really nice soft results. So yeah, I would say this is like the perfect use and go kind of product. Also, it's a nice big bottle. Hoping this is gonna like suffice me for a good 2 to 3 months. This is 200 ml, so double of that. By the way, I don't know if it's CG or not. Most probably not because यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ भी नहीं है. So yeah, just putting it out there, but overall I would give it a 4 out of 5. The next product I want to talk about is by Curl Up. It's their weightless curl enhancing mousse for frizzy, wavy and curly hair. This also has a lot of great ingredients. It is CG friendly, sulfate, paraben and silicone free, and for the price you're paying, you're getting 150 ml of the product. Let's talk about the packaging. I like the color combination. It's sweet, simple, but I wish they had paid a little bit more money on the packaging because the pump doesn't work. It's just too stiff, it does not pump properly, it gets stuck, and it was stuck for a really long time. I don't know apne aap kaise ye upar aa gaya, but yeah, it was stuck for a really long time, which is a bummer because ye product pump pe hi chalta hai. It's a, as you can see, it's a water based product and the pump converts it into a foam. If this doesn't work, then how am I supposed to use this? Let's talk about the results. As you can clearly see in the video, I had a ton of volume at the top and it was looking really nice, fluffy, beautiful. Cut to a few hours later, these are the results still, and you can see यहाँ पर अभी इतना volume नहीं है. I need to keep fluffing it up over here and then it's giving me a little bit of volume. As you can clearly see, the curls are curling, it's nice, the texture is nice and tight. I mean, the moisture is also there, but it's not giving that super juicy, shiny kind of feel to my curls. You know what I mean? I do feel this has a little bit of hold, but not too much. I would say it's a little less than medium. Fix my curls se thoda zyada hai, but it's not extreme. I feel it could be a little better. Overall, comparing to all the other products that I've used, I feel like this could have been a little bit more better. Curl Up se main bahut zyada expect karti hu because it is a CG friendly brand and I've been using Curl Up for a really long time. I just feel the results, the way my hair looks, could be a little bit better. So I would give it a 3 out of 5. The next product I want to talk about is by Ashba. It's their curl volumizing foam with babasu oil and rice protein. It is a CG friendly product and there's literally a list of things that it does not have. No sulfate, silicone, SLES, paraben, phthalates, mineral oil, this and that. There's literally a very big list of stuff that it does not have. This is CG friendly. And you're gonna get 150 ml of the product for the price that you're paying. Price point wise, this is definitely the most expensive out of all the ones that I've tried, but I feel like the price justifies the product that you're getting. First of all, the quantity is good enough and मैंने जितने बार भी use किया है इतना ही use up हुआ है, जबकि मैंने अच्छा खासा time use किया हुआ है इस product को. So ये I know this is gonna last me for a long time. Plus the results I get out of using this, it's worth the money, I would say. First, let's talk about the volume because bottle pe clearly likha hua hai. It's a curl volumizing foam. So once you fluff your curls out, scrunch the crunch out, and you get this beautiful volume at the roots, and the volume definitely stays for a really long time. So that is like 5 out of 5. इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा definition मुझे मिला है. Each and every single curl is looking perfect. Like you cannot go wrong with this. I just use like 3 pumps for all of my hair and these are the results. So you can clearly tell less is more. Because of the pricing and the way my curls are looking, I would actually keep it for special events. When you want your curls to look absolutely perfect, this is the product that I'm gonna whip out. This product will give you the maximum amount of hold out of all the products that I've tried. One thing I wanted to point out is everything is good, the moisture, the hold and everything, but the feel of it, it had a different kind of feel which I wasn't a big fan of, especially at the ends. It just felt a little bit more dry. I don't know how to describe that feeling, but it just felt a little stiff and dry. So that is why I mentioned I wouldn't use this as an everyday product. I'll keep it for special events when I want my curls to look absolutely perfect. I'm not gonna touch my hair. I just want my hair to look good. This is the product I'll be using, but it's not for an everyday use, at least for me. Overall, I really like this product. It's a 5 on 5 for me. And the last product I want to talk about is by True Frog. It's their volumizing mousse for curls. It has marshmallow root extract and hibiscus flower extract. It's for wavy to curly hair. And यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ नहीं है if it's CG friendly, so I don't know. mostly hoga, I'm hoping it is, and you'll get 150 ml for the price that you're paying. Again, this is something that surprised me. I was not hoping a lot. ये मैंने brand use ही नहीं किया है. This is like the first product that I'm trying out from this brand. As the name suggests, it's a volumizing mousse, but I don't think it's that volumizing. I mean, it is volumizing, but I don't know about the roots. Do you see? It's not that voluminous. It does have a slight hold, not extreme hold, and I actually like it because it does give really nice shine to my curls, and the curls also curling. It's nice. It also gives a lot of shine. There is definitely a bunch of frizziness in the back, but I feel like I might not have applied it properly because ये जहाँ पर लगे हुए हैं, it's looking really nice. I feel अगर आप section करके एक pump use करोगे per section and do it properly, this might work really well, and I'm enjoying the results. Honestly, it's looking really pretty. I haven't like shaped up my hair at the moment. Once I do that, I feel like I'll get a little bit more volume, but it does have like a slight hold, so I do need to scrunch and like fluff up my hair still. This is something again I would love to use on a day-to-day basis, just a simple use and go kind of a product. The results were really good. You can clearly see in the video it wasn't bad at all, and I'm really happy with the results that I got out of these. Before ending the video, I'm gonna talk about my favorites or just rank these products according to my preference. Top पे मैं definitely Ashba को रखने वाली हूँ. The curls I got is unmatched by anyone. Also, it lasts for a really long time. It is a bit more pricey, but I feel it does a really great job. Second पे मैं ये दोनों को रखूँगी. I like the moisture and the way my curls feel with this one, but I like the volume of this one. Third पे मैं रखूँगी True Frog and Curl Up को. Curl Up का main FF is the packaging. The pump doesn't work, which is a major flaw, but the results are really good, like you can clearly see in the video. And True Frog as well, really good results. I do not have a lot of problems with these other than this one, but yeah, the results are good. So this is also gonna be my everyday wash and go kind of a product. This one is going to be my special events product. So hope you guys got a lot of clarity on what the product does and how it looks on curly hair, and it gave you a little bit of clarity on which one you need to get as well. So yeah. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी. I'll also put my storefront link जहाँ पर आपको सारे प्रोडक्ट एक जगह पे मिल जाएंगे. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. Highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.